Namaskar, ma'am. This is one of a wonderful session, golden session for me. I think सभी को ये बहुत बहुत यूज़फुल हुआ होगा. From the vibration of my voice itself, you will see how I feel this session. That is today. I feel very golden moment for me. I have feel some energy, positive energy also inside, and the light, the way you explained while doing the meditation and the blessings from the God spiritually. I got feel somewhat involved in this, deeply involved with my soul and my mind and my body. I never forgot it. I will follow it as usually I am following already. But I feel today the spiritual, the lighting which I have taken the blessings from the Lord Krishna. I feel today the inner